Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 4th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Oh, Palantir down 38 cents. 3.35% down at 10.96. Post-market we are down by 6 cents. Yeah, I changed my resistance a little bit. I had this one here, but I elongated it just right up there here. And this makes some sense. And look at how these four candles are really aligned. This is the slope. This is the slope of descent. Slope of descent of the stock. So we opened closer to this resistance today than we closed yesterday, but went right down. And nothing else to say, is this is going down. I said it yesterday, I won't repeat it again. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So yeah, we opened quite high. There was some power here, but then we dropped the power. The power was dropped right down to $11. Then came down to it, and now we can since we lost $11 after the second hour, we cannot even get back over 11. And look at how this is perfect. This candle, 3 candles where we have the high at $11. Why is it like that? Because it is like that. Because $11 is an even number, and because a lot of people like me are drawing lines like this, so we are all in sync. We are all in sync. Let's go back to the daily chart. What can I say? We still have MACD crossed over bullish, so MACD is telling us, yeah, this is a good stock, but MACD alone, we cannot rely on it because he's not reliable. So we need to have a double check, and that double check is stochastic over 60, which we did not get, and this is why we are in the position that we are in right now. Relative strength index, this is still increasing, so there's still hope. There's still hope. I try to give you both sides of the coin. I give you the positive and the negative, and then you make your own decisions. So there's still hope. Here we have the RSI is increasing. The RSI is making higher lows. It means that the strength in the stock, computed with a very complex calculation, is telling us that the strength is increasing, and this is the rate of increase. So until we cross that RSI, we can have a little bit of a hope that we might be coming back up eventually, not too far from now. So that's the only glimmer of hope I'm going to give you guys. So it's not a light at the end of the tunnel, it's a match at the end of the tunnel. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link also. Then you can use this great tool with a nice discount. I'm going to wish you a great evening, great weekend. We are going to talk on Sunday for my members and Monday for the rest of you. I'm going to tell you, à la prochaine.